How to set Spotify song as ringtone. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about setting a Spotify song as your ringtone. So before we start, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Spotify application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Simply tap on launch the application first. And once you're in the homepage, you can go to library and select any song from your playlist. After selecting the song, click on the three dots next to it. There you will see several different options such as add to playlist, view artist, share, and sleep timer, which allows you to set the song to play for a certain duration. However, to use the song as your ringtone, you first need to download it. Please note that this requires a Spotify premium subscription. So once you have activated your premium subscription and the song is downloaded, and it is also saved in your phone's library, you can set it as your ringtone. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.